indeed are a COVID warrior who have been, relentlessly working towards saving the life of the people and who have, endured and overcome the adversities of the life. So next, I welcome our esteemed guest, who is also a doctor by profession, that is a dentist by profession, Dr. Surbhi Kakar. She is an dentist by profession in South Delhi and an actress and a social activist by passion. She has many national and international publications to her credit and also authored her first book on dentistry published from Germany. She's also won many awards. And now let's hear what Dr. Surbhi has to say. Over to you, Dr. Surbhi.
So before Dr. Surbhi actually talks about this, first of all, what a multidimensional personality Surbhi. And being from South Delhi, I'm also from South Delhi. But Surbhi, I would like to know, you being a Corona warrior, right? Were you a Corona warrior? Were you able to overcome Corona?
Before I even get started, I'd like to thank you, Richa, and Kinjal for having me on the platform. And also, I'll return the compliment 100 folds, Richa. You look fab. And yes, I have the smile on before I'm leaving the show. Your ad, your digital ad was really impressive. Kudos.
Thank you so much. It's because of you people. In fact, everybody present here, you all are the strength. When we talk about womanhood, अगर ये womanhood नहीं है तो फिर और क्या?
बिल्कुल सही. So coming back to what we were talking about, yes, I consider myself a COVID warrior, and I feel all of us can have that opportunity of being one. It's not just the doctors. मैंने कल एक ad देखी थी where the doctors are moving from the alley and we have Superman, then we have Batman, we have Hulk, all bowing down to the doctors. I think we can all have that feeling if we exercise our duties well as a citizen of this country. That's very, very important. We know the situation is dire, we know it's grim, but if we take care of certain protocols and make a tiny, small efforts, वो कहते हैं ना बूंद बूंद करके समुद्र भरता है, so small efforts can go a long way in, these small efforts can go a long way, making it really crucial for everybody around. Talking about myself, for example, I'll tell you, apart from the teleconsultation, which I'm doing almost every day, listening to roughly around 40 to 50 distress calls, even giving them meri taraf se emotional support, whatever I can. I have also made it a point that, okay, I'm a part of these 4 helplines on WhatsApp as well. So I try to rummage through and pick up the verified leads, underlined verified leads from there, and I post it all over on my social media so that it's easily accessible for people and it can be utilized whoever needs it. Second, I and my team, we have come with this website. We are working on it still, where we are going to have a chatbot. We have taken the help of AI, artificial intelligence, where there are a set of common questions जो हम सभी के common questions हो सकते हैं COVID related, pre-COVID, during COVID and post-COVID rehabilitation को लेके. So it will be very, very well answered by the AI. Then there is one section which helps you, the common man, scheduling yourself with the doctors, whether it's an emergency or a regular call which they want to have with the doctor. Emergency can be obviously any time of the day, any time during the night. We also have the WhatsApp to email solution so that it again becomes very easy for you guys and accessible to you guys. So what I'm saying is it's not just me. Ab jin groups mein main hoon, there are so many volunteers like that who have these helplines right now, COVID helplines, and they're doing a wonderful job. And I would request all of you, I would say, कुछ चीजें हैं जो हम सबको करनी चाहिए. Please, one, try, go get vaccinated as soon as possible. At least, I'm not saying कि अच्छा, there is a big myth. People say कि हाँ भाई vaccination करा ली तो अब COVID नहीं होगा. ऐसा नहीं है. You can get infected. You will only be saving yourself from adverse complication and landing up in a hospital. Unless and until, yes, you are suffering from certain strong comorbidities. ऐसे काफी patients हैं जिनको लंग डिसऑर्डर्स है, ऑलरेडी COPD हो गया, एस्थमा हो गया, या टाइप 2 रेस्पिरेटरी फेलियर्स हो गए, या फिर किडनी डैमेज हो गया, लिवर डैमेज हो गया, ऐसी बहुत सारे केसेस होते हैं उनका, ओके मे बी they can go critical, but the rest of them by and large agar dekha jaye, if you get vaccinated you are just going to have probably mild symptoms and sail through it. I feel you should stay healthy, have a positive attitude, and we are in it all together. All of us are together in it, and I'm sure we'll get through these times. Just one more couple of other things. Vaccination ka bataya. Don't start hoarding stuff. There are lots of people. Abhi is time pe aap chemist ko call karoge, aapko nahi milega. You might have to call your chemist 150 times before he even picks up the call and say, "हाँ जी मैडम जल्दी बोलिए, time नहीं है." Correct. So I think stop hoarding medicines. Abhi, we don't know what lies ahead, right? So and you might not even need the things that you're hoarding. चाहे वो oxygen cylinders है, concentrators है, or maybe life-saving medicines है. Think about the people who are critical in the hospital. They need it more than you do. You're not even sure whether you'll go through that. So I think you should not do that. And yes, be positive and follow the COVID appropriate behavior. By now, so I think ingrained ho jana chahiye yahan par ki masking is important, essential for everyone. Sanitizing is very important. Once in home isolation, there is a protocol you're supposed to follow. Follow that, and I think things should be fine.
Surbhi, I completely agree because I know it particularly because people talked about जब ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर्स की बात हुई थी हॉस्पिटल में थे, बट लेकिन जिन लोगों को कोविड के थोड़े बहुत सिम्टम्स थे उन्होंने घर पे रख लिए. There were people who were purchasing concentrators, and that too 3 times the actual amount, or maybe 4 times the actual amount. I have it. I mean, I have my family.
आज एक चीज अच्छी हुई है, ऑक्सीजन फिलिंग हैज बीन रेगुलेटेड बाय गवर्नमेंट टुडे, सो सर्कुलेशन में देयर इज अ फ्लोटर व्हिच टॉक्स अबाउट इट एज वेल. And see, we all know certain limitation. We know that some time back, maybe about 1.5 week back, our healthcare, you could say, was in shambles. But I think everybody is putting their bit, whether it's a danda from the Supreme Court, danda from the High Court, or maybe whatever little we are doing collectively. It's a team effort, seriously, and things are looking a little brighter now. So oxygen refilling का जैसे हो गया, या फिर even ये government had floated the verified distributors for lifesavers or off-the-label drugs as well, which really helped a lot of people. It's still helping a lot of people. There are a lot of people who still have a myth about plasma donations. अब हम ठीक हो गए, अब हम बाहर निकलेंगे, प्लाज्मा डोनेट करने जाएंगे तो दोबारा हमें कोरोना पकड़ लेगा. So please, another request to them that please come out and donate plasma, because there are certain banks, like there was a floater about liver and biliary science की सिर्फ 2000 यूनिट रह गए हैं. They tried to help people in distress, तो एक टाइम तक तो किया, but now they say, that you please come with a donor. It's very important, and with those signed forms from the nodal officer जो hospital में sign करे जाते हैं when you come with your donor. So that's a request from my side.
Thank you so much, Surbhi, for such insightful information, and it was indeed useful for all of us. And hopefully सभी अच्छे से सुन रहे हैं और इसको जरूर फॉलो करेंगे, क्योंकि ये डॉक्टर से आ रहा है, डेंटिस्ट भी डॉक्टर है, उनको हमसे ज्यादा इन्फॉर्मेशन होती है, वो उनको हमसे ज्यादा पता होता है, तो आई एम श्योर हम सब उसको नोटेड रखेंगे एंड वी विल मेक श्योर दैट वी आर एबल टू क्रॉस इट बाय. ओवर टू Kinjal. And before Kinjal actually talks about it, the next person who is coming, we would request them to please share their Corona warrior journey. कि उन्होंने कोरोना कैसे ओवरकम करा, बिकॉज जैसे हम लोग बोलते हैं हम सब कुछ अगर खुद नहीं हुआ तो हमें ये पता कि उसको ऐसे हुआ था, उसके सिम्टम्स ऐसे थे, पर फिर भी ये हुआ. वी वुड लाइक टू नो कि आपने कोरोना को ओवरकम कैसे किया, आपके वो 10 दिन या 14 दिन कैसे थे. So over to Kinjal before she announced the next person.